Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Last night we tried to put the 3 new hens in with their older flock, and I told you I'd give you an update. Well, guys, it didn't go nearly as well as what I was hoping. Bob came out to check the eggs and to feed this morning, and my new hens were really being tormented. So we had to get them out of there fast. So what we did was went down to the barn and got the coop that we'd had the golden comets in before we got this big run done. So it was sitting there empty, thank goodness, because I just had these new chicks in a dog crate, which, you know, for a few days it was okay, but that's not working. So we brought this one up here and put these in there. Now folks, I realize it's not under a cover, it doesn't have a tarp on it, but it will. Now as you can see by the back on this one and that one too, they've had feathers pulled out. Now the one in the front, her feathers were gone anyway, but she's got some blood on her where they were pecking at her. And this one over here has got several places, and they were just bunched up in a corner, and my hens pecking the dickens out of them. Well, I can't have that. So I guess this is going to be their home, at least for a while. I may try it again after a month or so when they've been totally by each other for a lot longer. That might work. I honestly don't know. If not, we will winterize this the best we can, and these 3 will stay right here. But that's all I could do at the moment. But I just wanted to give you an update on what was going on with those chicks. Thanks for watching.